What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're going to do an update on Theta Network, which is down 12.2% today at 262. We have a $2.6 billion market cap with a circulating supply of 1 billion and 1 billion max. All the coins are in circulation, which is fantastic. All-time high on this coin was 3 years ago at 1572. All-time low was 4 years ago. If we look at the current market where it's currently available, it's available on 8 different pages: XT, Binance, Tokyo Crypto, BingX, Pinex, Bitmart, Gate.io, KuCoin, and crypto.com. So a bunch of different places you can buy this from. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Theta. All right, let's get into Theta here, guys. So if we draw where we got rejected from, we can see in prior past, this was a pretty heavy area of rejection, of resistance going all the way back to 2022. We have not been able to overtake that price range of about $4. $4 is just a difficult area to get over for Theta, and I dare to say that's the moon line for Theta. But unfortunately, it does look like we're to be calling for some more correction. Top to the bottom right here, you can see we're currently in no man's land, retracing probably back down. I would say probably back down to $2 even, guys, if I had to be realistic. Indicators are in a free fall, and if we actually draw prior support, it's about 225. So I would say anywhere between 225 and $2 is going to be the support area for Theta. So if we draw a rectangle box to that 225 to around $2, this is going to be your support channel right here. You do not want to break below your support channel. And the reason I think that's going to continue dropping down there is the indicators are still bearish. We had a larger engulfing candle today on the MACD. The RSI isn't done retracing yet. We're still above 50. We're starting to capitulate a little bit harder as well. And the WTX is starting to free fall. The WTX is still too high and not reset. So on the short term as well, from the high to the low right here, what we're going to be looking for is the 786, which is our current micro trend support at 250. I don't think 250 is going to hold, guys. I think 250 is going to break, and we're going to be heading down to around $2 even. I don't think we're going to head to that 618. I think what we could probably see is a retracement back down to around $2, maybe a wick thrown down to that 618, but then that would be our reversal point from that point. Now, since October 2023, we have been bullish, guys. When in doubt, zoom out. You have a high, you have a low, you have a higher high. This would actually put in a higher low, which is a bullish structure, which means after what? A higher low comes what? A higher high. It's just normal market cycle, guys. And every time there's red, everyone's saying, "Oh, we're going down the shitter" and stuff like that. Ignore the noise, guys. Just just ignore the noise. It's just a market cycle. But yeah, indicators are looking bearish right now. I don't think the 786 is going to hold. I would say Theta is heading down to around $2 before we see some sort of reversal. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins you'd like, oh yeah, you want to know the all-time high. That's correct. So if we actually wanted to put a all-time high here for Theta, like for the bull run high, top to the bottom, that would actually be a possible $127 Theta. Now that sounds crazy having a $2.6 million or billion-dollar market cap, but realistically, if you drop from the high to the low from your prior bull run top to the bear market bottom, as long as they didn't put a bunch more coins in circulation, then you normally reach up to those levels at around the 1618. You normally go to the 1236, and then you end up somewhere in here. So I'd say the first stop, the highest we go is 35, anywhere between $35 and 135. That's a huge gap right there. But we really don't know, how much money's actually coming in, what the FOMO is going to be like, what kind of black swans it's going to be. So I'd say minimally this coin is going to around 35 to $40. Then anything over that's just bonus money. And then you have the 1618 up here at about $140. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.